What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Monday. So today we're taking a look at AMT's 1949 Mercury sedan 2-in-1. So let's go in the box, see what's in the box, open up, see what's inside, and take more detail later on. Alrighty, so we're going to decal sheet. So this is an older version of the 49 Mercury, but it's basically a very nice kit and it's very visible out there. You can find them visually on eBay. Clear parts are in one piece, which is not a big deal. Actually, no, not. It's multiple pieces, and your headlights right there and stuff. So yes, it is an older issue, but as you can see, it looks really nice. Here's your pre-tinted tail lights. And then of course in this version you do get 4 stock tires, which are name branded Firestone. Nice tread pattern and they're pretty squishy. And then you do get some drag specs on here as well for whatever reason. Just in case you want to do a drag car. Again, these are Goodyear versions. And these are stiff hollow tires. So very cool. Let's skip to the chrome tree. Chrome tree is very chromy, and I'm doing this review because this kit is very out there, and hopefully AMT will reissue this kit because this is actually a really nice Mercury with a nice body style. You got your nice stock wheels, 2 different sets. You do got some tools in here, so very cool. A lot of chrome in this kit, and the chrome is very chromy. It doesn't look realistic at all, but hey. Like it, like it. Don't, I don't. And there's your custom grille. So here's your headlights, taillights I meant, and then there's your other grille. So very cool. Parts that are loose in my particular kit. You got the gas tank right here, some wheel backs, and what's like antenna. And then what's like part of the interior. I'm assuming for the partition behind the trunk and stuff. Alright, let's go on to the white, or not white, like a creamy, primer color, grayish. So your interior bucket, door panels in there. It's actually not too bad of a detail. It's kind of shallow, but not too big a deal. Got some pins in there for your seats. You get your gas pedal mode in, and you get your carpet texture in there. Then your back seat is mode in. Very cool. Nice detail. What you just gotta pay attention to is window cranks and stuff. There's your front bench seat. And here is my loose dashboard. We'll just take that right off. And then dashboard's actually pretty nice. I don't have any decals in this kit. But hopefully when AMT does reissue this kit, you do get gauge cluster decals. Here is your frame, or chassis you want to call it. Very nice. Get your spare wheel mode in. This one doesn't have an opening trunk, so you do have a carpet texture. Looks like a checkered flag texture, very cool. And you can put in a spare wheel in here. This kit does not offer a spare wheel, but you can put one in if you have an actual tire laying around. Okay, this one has most of your engine parts. These are your back skirts for your rear wheels. Here's your steering. Custom center console with, what is that, like a TV or a computer? Very interesting. Not really sure what that is. Very interesting parts in these older AMT kits. Very cool. Here's a radiator. Here's your fan. This is your stock engine. This is your flathead. Nice detail. In this tree, you have your hood here. Might have some flash in there, but not too big a deal. Just breaks off your hands. And then here's your separate trunk. You have detail on both on hood and trunk. Very cool. And then here's your custom engine. This is your main big block V8. There's a dual carbs on here. There's your intake. Nice detail. You get your starter on there. Here's your manifolds. Water pump assembly. Your head. Nice detail. Okay. Looks like you do have another set of flathead valve covers. And then your rear diff with re-springs. Okay, we got some more interior slash chassis slash body parts. Part of your body right here. That's part of your body right there as your wheel for your grill and stuff. There's your seat, your front seat backs or backing. Front suspension looks like. Front bumper, rear bumper. Well, body molding you want to call it. Here's your horn, steering, and your exhaust. And there's the other part of your diff. Okay. Last tree. You got some interesting like racing bucket seats, you want to call it. Not really my cup of tea, but yeah. Here's your, I'm assuming it's your trunk latch. Your wheels, your steering wheel, which has loads of flash in it, not too big a deal. Wheel backs, more wheels. Here's your custom exhaust, I think, or you have that part to your main exhaust. Here's your two pedals, clutch and gas, it looks like. And they do have another diff here. Looks like this is your racing diff, which looks more rugged. And you do have a roll cage in here as well. Interesting. Alright, last piece in this puzzle is going to be your main Mercury body. Very nice body. This is not a chopped version. This is like a basically stock body. But Jimmy Flintstone, they do offer a chopped body for this particular kit with your main engine bay mode in and your trunk separate. If you want that Jimmy Flintstone body, I'll leave a link to that in the description if you are interested. It's the same body, but just, you know, the roof is chopped. But this body is pretty nice. Panel lines are actually really nice. So that's pretty nice and detailed. Here's your firewall. Nice basic shower detail. You get battery mode in with some lines. So very cool. Mold lines. Here's some big mold lines on the front. You can definitely see them. Then your fender looks pretty clean. Back. It actually looks pretty clean. You just have that one little mold line just under the headlights and goes around the headlights. So nice clean body. Headliner. Well, you have no injector. Yeah, you have no line. There's some texture in there. Pretty cool. Very nice clean body. But after taking a really good look at this kit, guys, it's a very nice kit. It's an older issue from AMT. AMT has not reissued this kit since this video. Who knows, in the future they might reissue this kit. It's actually a very nice kit. They might have to clean up the molds a little bit because there are some flash parts on the steering wheel and a little bit on the hood, but not too major. Square parts look nice. You know, you can do this as a stock version, of course, or you can do it as a race car version. You do have two complete engines in this kit. You do have your stock flathead, or you do have that big V8, you know, big block V8 engine there under there as well. So pretty cool. You have 2 to 3 different style grills, which is pretty neat, and overall different seats. But nice kit, I gotta say. It's a very nice kit, and you can find this on eBay. Just look up the 49 Mercury sedan from AMT on eBay. There's a bunch of sellers on eBay. I got this one on eBay for about 18 bucks, so they're pretty reasonable. But yeah, I'm not gonna provide any links in the description because eBay listings, you know, go away. So just look on eBay for this kit, and you definitely find it. And it's a very nice kit, and you know, very nice, well molded. But again, hopefully AMT reissues this kit because I think this might be a popular kit. Jimmy Flintstone, like I mentioned, they do make a chopped version of this body for this particular kit. So I'll leave the Jimmy Flintstone body in the description if you want that. It's basically, this is the donor kit you'll use. The only thing you're going to be replacing is the body. But other than that, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and until next video, I'll catch you next time.